Hi guys, welcome to our channel. I'm Hailey from Power Coding Girls.
Hi, I'm Kailin.
Hi, I'm Mai.
So today we are going to introduce our superb dating app, Flirtigo. Hey Kailin, can you explain about our app?
Sure. Flirtigo's biggest selling point is to match users with Horoscope and Omikuji functions. Omikuji is a Japanese fortune-telling paper. The idea is that people go to temple, randomly choose a paper, and the paper will show the fortune for this year. We borrowed the idea and combine it with love matching, so it will tell users their love compatibility based on zodiac signs. Due to globalization, we think combining Western horoscope and Eastern Omikuji would be an interesting selling point. We did some research on popular dating app. We found that very few of them have horoscope matching functions. After discussing with these 3 students and Wim, we decided to use this as our competitive edge. In addition to Omikuji, our app has other interesting functions. Mai, what is your favorite feature?
I like the ice break function the most. When you are chatting with some stranger for the first time, it can be a bit awkward. So we put ice break function, which will generate random icebreaker question, so you can easily start conversation with other users. Use this function to start talking to more users without feeling awkward. Hailey, what's your favorite part of our app?
For me, I like daily match quiz functionality. When you log into our app, you will get a daily question to answer. Then you can check the users who answer the same question as you. Oh, Kailin is today's my quizmate. There is 25% of possibility of finding your quizmate every day, as there are 4 answers for each question. The questions are rotating in a month. Log in every day and find someone who has the same preferences as you.
Everything is so amazing. Our app is way better than we expected at the beginning. Kailin, would you like to talk about our expectation at the beginning and any difference now?
At first, we have very little expectations on this project because we're unsure what functions we can do. Remember during our first few meetings with these 3, we said we are only expecting to have chatting, login, and registrations. Other things like swiping, ice-breaking, matchings are great, but we don't think we can do that. But now, the app turns out to be great. We have all the functions we want, and we even added some extra ones, and they look great. And we learned so much in the past 5 weeks. Hailey, so if you have a chance to talk to your past self at the beginning of this project, what would you like to say?
If I could go back the beginning of our project, I would tell myself to think about responsive design first. There are so many different screen sizes, so we were struggling with changing the design. I think we could save more time if we had thought about responsive design from the beginning.
I agree with you. I feel the same. So what is your takeaway from this project, Hailey?
Oh, it's my first team coding project. I learned the power of collaboration tools like GitHub and Trello. Those tools made our project much easier to manage, even though we were struggling utilizing the tool in the beginning of the project. I also learned how to write my code more clearly for my teammates.
That's right. Speaking of GitHub, we need to do pull request review every day, and it is very important. So what about you, Mai? What's your biggest takeaway?
For me, I learned how to handle bugs and the importance of user testing. The weekly user testing helped us to find the bugs we didn't notice. Also, we fixed those small bugs that are found in user testing every week, which improved our bug fixing skill a lot. Here are a few examples of feedback from user testing and how we fixed these bugs. We make sure that users' opinion was reflected to our app, and also we make sure that bugs are fixed until users are satisfied with it. You can see that we got more positive feedback towards the end of the project. We spent a lot of time coding and building our app. Hailey, what are the things we learned from this coding-driven learning experience?
We use several modules in this project. For example, we use Amazon S3 and Martyr for uploading photos. This is one of our register steps. We also use Socket.io for our cool chat function. I'm talking with Kailin in real time.
Yes, I'm live chatting with Hailey now. Chatting is one of the most important features in the dating app, and it was very difficult to build.
Yes, I've never used them before this project, so I had to read documentation of each module and understand how to use it. I have improved my self-learning skills and I have more confidence to try to make new functions. I believe I will do better in the next project.
Yes, I agree with you.
Yes, I think all of us learn a lot of new things through this 5 weeks project, and I am sure that our experience through this project will improve our performance in the future and become very useful when we are working in a collaborative environment. Now, please enjoy our promo video created by these 3 students.
Oh wait, don't forget to smash the like button and leave comments for us.
Bye!